Unveiling the revolution, cloud robotics transforms the tech landscape.
In an era marked by technological marvels, one innovation stands out as a true game-changer: cloud robotics. In this video, we shall see how cloud robotics transforms the tech landscape. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz channel. This groundbreaking fusion of robotics, cloud computing, and internet connectivity has unleashed a new era of possibilities, propelling robots into unprecedented realms of intelligence, flexibility, and efficiency. The convergence of these technologies has paved the way for robots to transcend their inherent limitations, embarking on complex missions that were once deemed beyond their reach. Let's delve into the heart of this transformation and explore the immense potential it holds across various domains. Imagine a world where robots not only execute intricate tasks but also continually learn from the collective wisdom of their mechanical counterparts. Cloud robotics has bestowed upon these automatons the ability to tap into vast reservoirs of data, harness colossal processing power, and leverage cutting-edge algorithms. This profound shift empowers robots to undertake intricate operations that push the boundaries of their onboard capabilities, thereby enhancing their cognitive prowess and adaptability. At the core of this revolutionary paradigm lies the concept of cloud robotics, an intricate dance of robotics, cloud computing, and internet connectivity. At the heart of this dance floor is the robot itself, equipped with an array of hardware including sensors, actuators, and a primary CPU, all knitted together by sophisticated software. However, the defining distinction that sets a cloud robot apart from its conventional counterpart is its seamless connection to the internet. The pivotal first step in a robot's cloud journey is establishing this online link, a gateway to boundless opportunities. With this gateway unlocked, a robot gains access to the boundless bounty of the cloud, unfurling limitless resources that transcend the confines of its physical shell. This connection serves as a conduit through which robots communicate with distant cloud servers, transmitting data gleaned from tasks and sensors. As this data reaches the cloud, a symphony of advanced servers orchestrates its processing. The insights distilled from this data symposium are then channeled back to the robot, a stream of wisdom that enhances its operational finesse. This perpetual cycle of data transmission, cloud-based processing, and actionable insights redefines the very fabric of robotic capabilities. The industrial sector, renowned for its quest to embrace innovation, emerged as an early adopter of cloud robotics. On factory floors, robots endowed with cloud prowess swiftly took on responsibilities such as packaging, quality control, and intricate assembly work. Beyond mere automation, these cloud-connected machines became vigilant fault finders, adeptly responding to dynamic shifts in production lines. Their collaboration with human counterparts was elevated to new heights, showcasing the potential of offloading intensive data processing to the cloud. The logistics realm, a bustling arena reliant on seamless coordination, underwent a similar revolution. Warehouses and distribution centers embraced cloud-connected robots for tasks ranging from material handling to order fulfillment. These robotic allies exhibited remarkable autonomy, navigating through the labyrinthine corridors with impeccable precision. Armed with object recognition capabilities, they swiftly identified and secured items, all while harmonizing with their human colleagues. The result? Enhanced efficiency, accelerated operations, and a tantalizing glimpse into the synergy of humans and machines. Healthcare, a domain driven by precision and urgency, witnessed the transformative touch of cloud robotics. Robots, now seamlessly linked to the cloud, gained unprecedented access to patient data, medical records, and cutting-edge diagnostic algorithms. Armed with these insights, they played an instrumental role in revolutionizing disease diagnosis and patient care. The synergy between cloud robotics and healthcare promised a future where treatment decisions are backed by data-driven insights, fostering a new era of personalized medicine. The sphere of home automation, often touted as a realm of luxury, underwent democratization through cloud robotics. Picture robots orchestrating crop harvesting, meticulously monitoring plant health, and optimizing resource allocation in agriculture. With cloud-powered analysis of vast swaths of field data, these robots forecasted agricultural yields and made real-time decisions, ushering in an era of data-driven cultivation. As we cast our gaze forward, the horizon of cloud robotics gleams with untold promise. A symbiotic marriage of advanced artificial intelligence, AI, and cloud robotics is on the horizon, enabling robots to not just perform tasks but to actively learn and adapt within their environments. This forthcoming evolution is poised to yield robots that are not only smarter and more autonomous but also adept at unraveling complex challenges. With the imminent rise of 5G and related networking technologies, cloud robots are poised to transcend the shackles of latency, performing real-time tasks with unmatched precision. And on the front lines of security, where the sanctity of data is paramount, cloud robotics anticipates a surge in safeguards. As cybersecurity technologies evolve, a robust shield shall envelop cloud data, addressing a significant concern that has loomed over this technological renaissance. In essence, cloud robotics has unfurled vistas of innovation, forever transforming the technological landscape. Through the marriage of robotics, cloud computing, and internet connectivity, robots have transcended their traditional confines, donning new garbs of intelligence and adaptability. From factories to hospitals, warehouses to homes, the ripple effects of this transformation are palpable. As we look toward a horizon painted with promises of AI integration, lightning-fast networking, and fortified security, the potential of cloud robotics is bound only by the limits of our imagination. Thank you for having shared your precious time in watching this video. If you have found value in this video, do like, comment, share this video and subscribe to this channel.